Hi guys, I'm Kev from sonsofkane.com, and this week we're going to do a video that's really close to my heart, seated sparring. As usual, my old mate Macca, got a new hat?
Well, back to my old one. Yeah, it's actually better for keeping the sun out my eyes.
Oh right.
What we're going to do is look at seated sparring. We're not really going to change a lot, but the dynamic of it will change. So it's just again a little idea that you can look at and have a play with. When we practice our techniques, it's good for both parties, whether you're a wheelchair user or not, to practice from the seated position. It's also good to practice in a kneeling position. What this does is enhance your technique because you're not relying on your legs or any body motion. It's all down to technique. So regardless if you're a chair user or not, practice them in a seated position. With Kev, all I'm going to do, just to practice, this is the beginning of a set of videos as always. It's going to be a downward strike. I'm going to strike to one side of the head, then the other side of the head. Very simple drill. Keep it slow to start with, so we know what's coming, we know what's going to react. As we do it, we increase the intent, which is important, slightly harder, and then increase the intent even more if you're comfortable for doing this. So if you strike harder. Always be aware of your opponent and their fingers. If you noticed Kev was blocking so his fingers weren't wrapped around the cane, I would consider that a viable target and a learning lesson. So this time, this would be a more likely scenario. Don't forget this is representing an arm, not another stick. So it would be down, side, side. And you can just repeat. These are just 3 blocks. You can develop this drill to whatever you want. You can do low strikes, upper strikes. What I'm going to do now is bring Dan in. So we're going to do this as a dual drill. So I'm going to attack, Dan's going to attack, but Kev has to adjust his focus and his technique each time without moving his chair. And as you can see, it can progress and we can increase the intention as well. Here's another good thing to practice, whether or not you're a chair user or not, is different heights. We've got this handy dandy, we've just knocked this up, staircase replica. But suddenly, even for me as an attacker, things have changed and the height difference now. So my reach has to be more as I'm coming through as well. So if Kev attacks me, it's a very different scenario. So looking at these things, practice at different heights. Get a bag, get a strike shield, put them at different heights so you're fighting at an up angle or a low angle, fighting from the chair. Always good fun.
Changes your core position, and also we've got a consultant that if we said the words muscle memory would absolutely go nuts on us, but there is, and you do feel that if you're striking the same position each time, that's where you're hitting. You get a taller opponent like Shaq O'Neal here, and all of a sudden I'm reaching up. In a chair you reach up anyway, but if you're actually able-bodied, it's changed everything for Chris. Thanks for watching guys, we hope you like this video. Please keep your comments coming, we really enjoy reading them and we love interacting with you guys. So give us a thumbs up, drop us a line, let us know what you want to see or how you think we're doing.
Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to ring the bell so you can get your notifications. Don't forget to free the fear. And if you have freed the fear, get outside the comfort zone and free it again.